Advantages and disadvantages for black granite countertops. Dear friends, most people consider white to be the danger color for kitchens, as it can often show a lot of marks or spills. However, with black being on the complete other side of the scale, people often think that it would not show up marks as easily. Before you decide on whether a black granite countertop is for you, we have put together a list of some of its pros and cons to help you on your way to deciding. Pros of black granite. Granite countertops are such a beautiful, natural product that offers you a timeless elegance that can easily become the centerpiece of the room. Black is also such a luxurious color that it will never go out of style and can easily match and go with almost any other color out there. Granite is very durable and will take everyday wear and tear very well, and is very stain resistant once it has been sealed properly. This means that any spillages that occur will not stain or damage the surface. Not only that, but granite is also heat resistant, which means it can withstand the heat of hot pots and pans without ending up damaged or weakened by the heat. Cons of black granite. However, black granite countertops do have a fair number of weaknesses too. With black being the darkest color you could purchase, it will show up all fingerprints and spillages, so it will require a lot of cleaning to keep on top of it. As we mentioned before, granite needs to be sealed correctly, otherwise it is a porous stone which will absorb all spillages, which may be impossible to remove once soaked in. As soon as the sealant has worn off, it is so important that you get it redone as soon as possible to prevent any long-term damage. A granite countertop that has not been sealed properly will also contain a large number of bacteria, which is far from ideal in areas where you are preparing food. While granite needs to be sealed regularly, it is not easily to know how often it will need it. Your granite countertop could need resealing on a yearly basis or once every 10 years. You will not know until the sealant wears off. Despite being very durable, a very heavy object is still able to crack or chip your granite countertop. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.